Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to remove the green screen from your projects in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the main page for the composition where you can go ahead and get started creating your new composition. So here's how it looks guys. You can go ahead and select all your settings and click OK to save it up right here, and after saving it up you can now get started with managing your project. So guys, let's say we have added a video right here that has a green screen that we want to remove and we want to use some different image. Let's go ahead and see how to do that. Basically, what we're going to go ahead and be doing guys is look right here at the right side of the screen where we can see all the options that we can access, such as preview effects and so on. We want to go ahead and open up effects, and basically guys, that option that we're going to be using for removing the green screen is called key light. So what you want to do is go ahead and search for key light, as you can see, and under image and utilities guys, we will have the key light option, and under keying guys, we also have the key light option, so you can choose which one you might prefer. I suggest the one under keying, as this is the one that's going to be the most useful. As you can see, it's 1.2, but you can even go ahead and check out the one under image utilities to see how it works as well. Basically, use these options and then start using them out on your green background, and you'll see it will help you go ahead and remove it, and you can get started with adding your new images. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.